Hello students, நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? இந்த வீடியோல I am going to teach some important questions in continuity. இந்த வீடியோவை skip பண்ணாம பாருங்க. First question, examine the continuity of the function f of x is equal to modulus x minus 4 divided by 2 into x minus 4 if x not equal to 4, 0 if x is equal to 4, at x is equal to 4. We have to find whether the given function is continuous or not continuous at x is equal to 4. We have to find left limit and the right limit. If left limit is not equal to right limit, the function is not continuous. If left limit is not equal to limit x tends to f of a is also not continuous. First we will find at x is equal to 4. LHL limit x tends to 4 minus f of x. If a limit if x tends to 0 na இப்போ எங்கெல்லாம் x இருக்கோ அந்த x க்கு 4 minus h போடணும். அப்ப டிட்டர் மாடுலஸ் ஆஃப் இந்த x 4 minus h minus 4 numerator முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. டினார் 2 into இந்த x 4 minus h அப்புறம் ஒரு minus 4. Limit h tends to 0. Numerator plus 4 minus 4 cancel ஆயிரும். Modulus of minus h divided by இப்போ bracket open பண்ணா 2 into 4 8, 2 into minus h minus 2h, 2 into minus 4 minus 8. இப்போ plus 8 minus 8 cancel is equal to modulus of minus h plus h minus 2h. இப்போ இந்த h cancel ஆச்சுனா minus 1 by 2. Left limit is minus 1 by 2. But f of 4 is 0. Therefore, this function is not continuous. Therefore, LHL not equal to f of 4. Therefore, f of x is not continuous at x is equal to 4. Question number 2. Examine the continuity of the function f of x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by x square, x not equal to 0, 5 if x is equal to 0, at x equal to 0. We have to check whether the given function is continuous or not continuous at x is equal to 0. First we will find left limit, right limit and f of 0. Left limit at x is equal to 0. Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x equal to limit h tends to limit x tends to 0 means na அடுத்தது limit x tends to 0 na x எல்லாம் 0 minus h எழுதணும். 1 minus cos of 2 into 0 minus h by 0 minus h the whole square is equal to limit h tends to 0, 1 minus cos of minus 2h by plus h square. Cos of minus 2h, cos of minus theta equal to plus cos theta. Therefore, limit h tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2h by h square. Now 1 minus cos 2h, 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. Therefore, this can be written as limit h tends to 0 to cos square 2 sin square h. Two sin square h by h square. This can be written as 2 into sin h by h the whole square. இப்போ 2 வெளியே எடுத்துட்டு 2 limit h tends to 0 sin h by h the whole square. அப்போ limit h tends to 0 sin h by h is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 square equal to 2. See, we got left limit is 2 னு கிடைச்சிருக்கு. Limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta equal to 1. Next இப்போ RHS. Limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0. இப்போ h tends to 0 னா x எல்லாம் 0 plus h ஆயிடும். 1 minus cos 2 into 0 plus h by 0 plus h the whole square. Limit h tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2h by h square. Again 1 minus cos 2h is equal to 2 sin square h by h square. Therefore 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin h by h the whole square. Limit h tends to 0 sin h by h is 1. So 2 into 1 square equal to 2. For left limit also 2, right limits also 2, உடனே continuous ஒரு கன்க்ளூஷனுக்கு வரக்கூடாது. அப்போ f of 0வும் 2 இருக்கணும். But here the f of 0 is 5. Therefore it is not continuous. Therefore f of 0 is equal to 5. Therefore LHL equal to RHL but not equal to f of 0. Therefore the function f of x is not continuous at x is equal to 0. Question number 3. Examine the continuity of the function f of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 if x not equal to 2, 5 if x is equal to 2. We have to check the continuous at x is equal to 2. Find the left limit, right limit and f of 2. First at x is equal to LHL, left limit. Limit x tends to 2 minus f of x equal to limit h tends to 0. இப்போ h tends to 0 போட்டோம்னா x எல்லாம் 2 minus h னு எழுதணும். அப்ப 2 into 2 minus h the whole square minus 3 into 2 minus h minus 2 divided by 2 minus h minus 2. Apply a minus b the whole square. Limit h tends to 0. 2 into 2 square 4 minus 2ab minus 4h plus h square minus 3 into 2 minus 6 plus 3h minus 2 divided by plus 2 minus 2 cancel minus h. Limit h tends to 0. 2 into 4 8 minus 8h plus 2h square minus 8 plus 3h divided by minus h. Plus 8 minus 8 cancel. Limit h tends to 0. Minus 8h plus 3h 2h square minus 5h 2h square minus 5h by minus h. Now take h common, minus h common, minus 2h plus 5 divided by minus h. This minus h cancel. If we substitute h is equal to 0 is equal to minus 2 into 0 plus 5 is equal to 0 plus 5. So 5 is the left limit. Now we have to find RHL. Right limit. Limit x tends to 2 plus f of x is equal to limit. இப்போ h tends to 0 னா x எல்லாம் 2 plus h ஆகும். 2 into 2 plus h the whole square minus 3 into 2 plus h minus 2 divided by 2 plus h minus 2. Limit h tends to 0. 2 into 4 plus 4h plus h square minus 6 minus 3h minus 2 divided by plus 2 minus 2 cancel plus h. Limit h tends to 0. 8 plus 8h plus 2h square minus 8 minus 3h by h. Plus 8 minus 8 cancel. Upper limit h tends to 0. 2h square plus 5h by h. இப்போ h காமன் எடுத்தா 2h plus 5 by h. இது cancel. h cancel ஆச்சுனா இப்போ 0 போட்டா 2 into 0 plus 5 equal to 5. Upper right limit also pi, left limit also pi, f of 2 also pi. Since LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 2 equal to pi, f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2. Number 4, examine the continuity of the function f of x is equal to modulus x into cos of 1 by x if x not equal to 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 0. We have to check the given function is continuous or not continuous at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, we have to find the left limit and the right limit and f of 0. At x is equal to 0, LHL, limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0. h tends to 0 na x la 0 minus h ஆயிடும். Modulus of 0 minus h into cos of 1 by 0 minus h is equal limit h tends to 0, modulus of 0 minus h, modulus of minus h, modulus of minus h is h into cos of minus 1 by h. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. Upon cos of minus 1 by h plus cos 1 by h. Limit h tends to 0. h into cos of 1 by h. Cos of 1 by h, cos theta minimum value is minus 1, maximum value is plus 1. The value of cos theta oscillate between minus 1 to plus 1. Above this cos of 1 by h can be taken any number greater than minus 1 and less than 1. Therefore, it is 0, h is 0 put 0 into any number less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to minus 1. Any number greater than or equal to minus 1, less than or equal to 1, because the minimum value of cos is minus 1, the maximum value of cos is plus 1. If we take any number into 0 is 0. Therefore, left limit is 0. Then RHL. Limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0. If h tends to 0 na x la 0 plus h எழுதணும். Modulus of 0 plus h into cos of 1 by 0 plus h. Limit h tends to 0, modulus of 0 plus h into cos of 1 by h. The same concept here also, that is 0 into minus 1 greater than any number less than or equal to 1. So, any number greater than or equal to minus 1 less than or equal to 1 into 0 is 0. F of 0 is also 0. Since LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 0 equal to 0. The function is continuous at x is equal to 0. Therefore, f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Question number 5. Examine the continuity of the function f of x is equal to x square by 2 if x greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 1. 2x square minus 3x plus 3 by 2 if x greater than 1, less than or equal to 2 at x is equal to 1. You have to check the given function is continuous or not continuous at x is equal to 1. அப்போ 1க்கு லெஃப்ட் லிமிட் 1க்கு ரைட் லிமிட் கண்டுபிடிச்சு f of 1 கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்னா நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிடும். At x is equal to 1 LHL limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0. h tends to 0 னா x எல்லாம் 1 minus h ஆயிடும். அப்போ 1 minus h the whole square less than 1 minus க்கு x square by 2 தான் ஃபங்க்ஷன் by 2 is equal to limit h tends to 0. இது a minus b the whole square apply பண்ணா 1 minus 2h plus h square by 2. இப்போ லிமிட் அப்ளை பண்ணா 1 minus 0 plus 0 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Left limit is 1 by 2. Now RHL. Limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0. h tends to 0 னா x எல்லாம் 1 plus h ஆகும். எதுக்கு இது 2x square 2 into 1 plus h the whole square minus 3 into 1 plus h plus 3 by 2. Limit h tends to 0. இப்போ 2 into 1 plus 2h plus h square a plus b the whole square minus 3 minus 3h plus 3 by 2. Limit h tends to 0. 2 plus 4h plus 2h square minus 3 minus 3h plus 3 by 2. இப்போ 0 போட்டா இது 0 இதுவும் 0 minus 3 இது 0 plus 3 by 2. 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 plus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. அப்போ RHL 1 by 2. இப்போ f of 1 வேணும். f of 1 is equal to x square by 2 1 by 2. f of 1 also 1 by 2. Since LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 1, all are equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, f of x is continuous at x is equal to 1 by 2. Question number 6. Examine the continuity of the function f of x is equal to modulus x plus modulus of x minus 1 at x is equal to 1. Generally, all modulus functions are continuous function for all its real numbers. But we will prove First, ஒன்றுக்கு லெஃப்ட் லிமிட், ஒன்றுக்கு ரைட் லிமிட் அண்ட் f of 1 at x is equal to 1. LHL limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0. h tends to 0 போட்டா x 1 minus h replace பண்ணும். modulus of x வந்து 1 minus h plus modulus of 1 minus h minus 1. limit h tends to 0. இப்போ h க்கு பதிலா 0 போட்டா 1 minus 0 plus இது வந்து கேன்சல் ஆயிடும். கேன்சல் ஆனா minus h அப்ப minus 0. அப்ப என்ன வரும்? modulus of 1 plus modulus of minus 0 is equal to modulus of 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1. So LHL equal to 1. Now RHL. Limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0. இப்போ 1 plus na replace x is equal to 1 plus h. Modulus of 1 plus h plus modulus of 1 plus h minus 1. Limit h tends to 0. இது வந்து 1 plus 0 plus இது ரெண்டு கேன்சல் ஆயிடும். அப்போ modulus of 0. அப்போ modulus of 1 plus 0 is modulus of 1 plus modulus of 0 equal to 1 plus 0 equal to 1. LHL also 1, RHL also 1. இப்போ what is f of 1? f of 1 equal to modulus of 1 plus modulus of 1 minus 1 equal to 1 plus 0, 1. f of 1 also 1 since LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 1 equal to 1. Therefore, f of x is continuous at x is equal to 1. Question number 7. Examine the continuity of the function f of x is equal to modulus of x minus a into sin of 1 by x minus a if x not equal to a, 0 if x is equal to a, at x is equal to a. We have to check whether the function is continuous at x is equal to a or not. First we will find a minus a plus and f of a at x is equal to a. Left limit. Limit x tends to a minus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0. If h tends to 0 means we have to replace x as a minus h. Modulus of a minus h minus a into sin of 1 by a minus h minus a is equal to limit h tends to 0 modulus of this minus a minus plus a minus a cancel, modulus of minus h into sin of plus a minus a cancel, sin of minus 1 by h. We know that sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta. Limit h tends to 0. Modulus of minus h is equal to h into minus sin of 1 by h. Limit h tends to 0 minus h into sin of 1 by h. Limit h tends to 0 minus h into sin of 1 by h. இப்போ h க்கு இங்க 0 போட்டா இது 0 ஆயிடும். into it is a finite number because sin value ஓட maximum value of sin is plus 1 and minimum value of sin is minus 1. அப்ப it is any number between minus 1 to plus 1. அப்ப this is any number, any finite number less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to minus 1. This is 0, it is a finite number, 0 into finite number is 0. Therefore, left hand limit is 0. Now come for right hand limit. RHL. Limit x tends to a plus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0. h tends to 0 now we have to replace x as a plus h. Modulus of a plus h minus a into sin of 1 by a plus h minus a. இது plus a minus a cancel, இந்த plus a minus a cancel. Limit h tends to 0, modulus of h into sin of 1 by h is equal to limit h tends to 0, h into sin of 1 by h. So it is a put h is equal to 0 na 0 into minus 1 any finite number greater than or equal to minus 1 less than or equal to 1 into 0 is 0. Right limit also 0. At x is equal to a, f of a is also 0 since LHL equal to RHL equal to f of a equal to 0. Therefore, f of x is continuous at x is equal to a.